Welcome to our live show. Yes, as the leading manufacturer for the food machinery in China, we have already provided a lot of solutions to help our customers to meet their requirements. And this part also help us to get a lot of food regulations for them. So here, we want to stand by IK to thank you so much for all of our customers. Thank you so much for your greatest support to IK. Thank you. And today we have a show to show you the production line for this product. Yes, so here we go. Today we are going to show you the washing machine, cutting machine, drying machine, and also the package. So as you can see the whole production line on the press. Let's go and through to the finished product. So first, what materials are you going to display at customers? We will have different materials. We will have green chili and red chili and also the potatoes. So you can see these products, how they went through the whole production line. In the facility you can sell and buy from the market. So do you want to show me about the chili? Yeah, sure. So maybe we can see this way. This is our apple washing machine. It's mainly for when to wash leafy vegetables and light vegetables and fruits. And for this one, it's not available for the root vegetables. Here is a big pan. We will put using the water inside, and with a bubble and the pump, the water will circulate inside the pan and wash the fruits. And on this side, we also have a convert bell, which will take out the fruits, veggies, so that it's easier to unload the materials you wash. And this is the control board. It's very simple control if you want to wash. And we have the power and the start for the pump, cleaner, the bottle, and the ocean. So that this one is very easy to control. So after talking to so much, maybe you let's have a try to see it. So now let's log in the.
Please. It's very easy to load. If you have a lot of vegetables wish to loading without manual, you can use the elevator. So now let's start to see how it washed. So the bubble went through the vegetables to the dust of it. And also on this side we have the spray. We can second clean of the vegetables. This is the open. When you turn it on, the water will spray on the conveyor belt. So now we are going to wash it like a minute so that make it clean. It's very clean, no dust. And on this handle you can adjust the bubble of the machine because you can make it bigger or slower by change the size of this. You can close. On this side, you turn off the bubble, and when you turn down, now is the maximum bubble volume. And here we have a mesh to fix the vegetable in the tank. It's not going to unload right now. So now let's try to put it away. So now the vegetables going to this side, going to the conveyor belt. We have a button to turn it on. And with the spray, vegetables able to convert to unload from the machine. It's very convenient for you if you have a large quantity of vegetables and fruits need to wash. And for the small tank, because we have different models, for the small tank without the conveyor belt, we have the calendar. We will send you a calendar so you can unload the vegetable by manual. But for this one, it's made for the big production line for the huge amount. And for this pump, you can fasten the unload of the vegetables. 要看你说。Now you can see the vegetable moving to the conveyor much faster than before I turn this off. Turn this on. Now the pan, on the left side of the pan is no vegetable. So after the green chili, you said this is a very big and light chili. Maybe how about the small chili? Now let's have a try. For now, we will go into loading the small chili, the red chili, which is very popular at the restaurant and different cuisines. It's very necessary for for clients worldwide. Well, it looks very great on this one. And after washing, it's already start to go into the conveyor belt to unload. So for the pump is to fasten this unload, but not only have it's not the control that you have to do, but to fasten. So now let's try again to fasten the unload. On this side, the spray is second clean the chili, so to make sure the vegetable is very clean. Be sure this is not only for the vegetable, it's also available for the fruits like mango and pineapple, things like that. The vegetables they can float in over the water is all available.
Hello, thank you so much. Thank you
Hello,
so much
Orange.
for your study. Thank you. Thank you so much for the display and showing to us. I know maybe you have an understanding of this machine, and if you are interested for this machine, that you can leave the message to our website from www.ike.cn or directly to contact with our salesman. We can send you the details, give you the quotation as well. And as you know, just now our colleagues show you to how to wash the chili and use the bubble machine. But something like this part is the potatoes. So we also have another type of the washing machine. Is have two functions about the peeling and washing. So later my colleagues will also show you how to peeling and washing for this something like this type of potatoes. So please here with me. Hi, Kron, how are you? So could you please help to show to our customer how to peeling and washing by the machine?
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce our brush peeling and cleaning machine to you. This is our brush peeling and cleaning machine. The main material is made of 304 stainless steel. And we can wash the machine directly with water without that corner. It's very convenient for cleaning. And it's specially designed to peel and clean the raw vegetables like carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, taro, and Chinese yam, and so on. And you can see we have different kinds of brushes for different materials. We have a soft brush, hard nylon brushes, and abrasive brush. If you want to polish the raw vegetables only, that the soft brush is the best choice for you. And the hard nylon brush and abrasive brush are doing well in peeling. Okay, let me show to you how to use peeling the potato with our this machine. Hello, put the potato in here. Yeah, in here please. We can put the material into the machine directly. And this is the pipe with the water for cleaning. And now let me turn on the machine. And you can see it with a cover to prevent splashing. Okay, let me turn on the machine. The potato is peeling now by the rolling brush. The speed is faster. You can see only 1 minute the potato is very clean. Okay, you can see the potato is very clean now. And now let me put the potatoes out to other potatoes. Okay, let me turn off the machine. As you can see, the potato is very clean. There's no skin yet, and only use 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And for this is our peeling washing machine, and its function have the polish, washing, and the peeling. It's not only suitable for the potato, but also something like the gingers. So if you have the requirements for this type of, this machine can help you to solve the 3 functions. So just contact us by leaving the message from our website www.ike.cn or subscribe our YouTube channel. Then we can give you the more information. And then after washing and peeling, the next part will be the slicing, cutting. So how to do it? Then later our colleague Pitaya will have to show you. Here, please.
Hello,
Hello. Yes, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Yes, you know I have customers waiting for this part. It's very important because he want to buy this machine. And today just waiting for you to help me to show how to cut in it.
Exactly.
Could you please
sure.
do me a favor?
Sure. I
Thank
will do
you.
that. Okay, hello, I'm Pitaya. After peeling and washing for the green peppers and potatoes, we need to slice them in different sizes and in different shapes. Go to the dehydration. So before dehydration, them into the different sizes. This is our cutting machines. These cutting machines is multi-functions cuttings. They have 2 sizes. The first size is belt cutting. Belt cutting is a good item to slice the leaf vegetables, just like the cabbage, celery, and the spinach, lettuce, and asparagus. But another side is hopper. This is a hopper side. Hopper side is cutting the potatoes or the taros, sweet potatoes. And this is the cycle shape. Normally it's a cycle shape for the hopper siders. And this cutter capacity is roughly about 800 to 1,000 kilogram per hour. But not only for together capacity, it is for the each capacities. So now later I will show you how does the machine to do the works. Now firstly I show you the belt cutting side. The belt cutting side is specialized into the long type vegetables, like the celeries. So today our material is green purpose. Our engineer need the 25 lengths for the green purpose. So we will program the daters before cutting. So firstly, this is the control box. Control box can adjust the belt speed and the life speed. This is the life. This is live knife stations. So when the machine starts work, the life will work and the belt will work together. Okay, let's do the test for the green purpose. Firstly, we start the machines. Nancy, please stop. I need some explanation for the cuttings. Because our engineer need 25 to 30 millimeter length for the green purpose. So firstly, we will adjust the belt speed and the life speed. The belt speed normally is 35. Here is 35. And the belt speed is 9 or 10. So after the settings, we start the machines. Then the green purpose will come to 25 to 35. Okay, let's start. We can load the green purpose one by one, or you can load it in bucket. Baby, come here, please. Baby. Now this is the 25 to 35. Or if you need the tiny, very tiny, similar like the 1 millimeter, only adjust the life belt and the belt speed. Okay, let's try the smallest. Stop. Let's try the 2 millimeter. Okay, listen, please. Okay, stop. Now there is a big comparisons. This is 1 millimeter, and this is 30 millimeter. Normally, as you idea slice. Okay, this is the belt side. Let's talk about the hopper side. The hopper side is good at the loose vegetables or the fruit. So today our material is potatoes. So potatoes, this hopper side has 3 functions. The first function is slice, and the second one is julienne, and the third one is the dice. So now we will do the test is about the slice, and the slice range size is from 2 to 10 millimeters. Okay, we come here. Let's start to slice the potatoes. 等一下，我开机。Yes, please. Now the slice. Now we slice the potato. Potato slice is 5 millimeter. The slice range is from 2 to 10 millimeter. So if you need a different thickness, you have to change the live thickness. So now here is the 5. This is 5 millimeter. Okay, stop. Let's try the dicer. But before dicer, we need to change the blade. So stop the machine firstly, and then we change the dicer blade. The dicer blade has 1 millimeter, has a 10 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and a 20 millimeter. So today we test is about 20 millimeter, the maximum size. 换刀片。I would like to show you the dice blade. The dice blades have a two piece work together. So we will fix them. 这个先放这个进去，先放这个进去，或者你一起进去也行。不是，这个要对倒，这个要对倒，你没对倒。Firstly, we put the one piece, and secondly, again, they have a shaft. The machine has a shaft to loading the bow's blade, and then screw on to tight both live together. Okay, now live is ready. We start to dice the potatoes. Okay, let's start.拧紧了吧？再试试看一下，打开来看一下。那边没开，拆过来看一下。这个要对到这个，对不对？对的，对的。错了。等一下不行，我就切两个就停了，切两个就停了。Okay, let's start to dice the potatoes. Let's take 2 pieces. Okay, this is the 20 millimeter diced potatoes. We have a different size, has 15 and 10, or the smaller one 6. So this is good for the dehydrations. Okay, now we will change the julienne's blade to make the potato chips. The julienne blade is 6 millimeters. So after julienne, the potato chip size will be 6 millimeter thickness. So this machine can work together for the two sides. And the left side is for the hopper side, and the right side is for the leaf green side. Somebody will ask me, hey, Pitaya, can we work together both? Yes, definitely. Later we will show you the both sides work together. 是这个，这样。 Before we make the potato chips, we needed to change the julienne blade. Okay, now the blade is ready. Okay, let's start to make the potato chips. Now this is the 6mm potato chips. Stop please. Okay, now let's work together for the both sides. Nancy, please. We're loading both together. The hopper side and the leaf side together. Baby, work together, not only one side. Now machine is both sides is working. So if one side capacity is 800 to 1,000 kilogram per hour, so both together will get to 1,006 together 1,006 kilogram and 2,000 kilogram per hour. Okay, now after this slice the green peppers and the potatoes, we need to load in this material to our continuous flow dehydrations. So we will loading this to our conveyor continuous flow dehydrations. Hello, Becky.
Hello, Pitaya. Thank you.
Now
Pitaya.
we're loading. Yes, now we're loading the green peppers to the
Yes.
big machines. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Pitaya's introduction. So this is Lemon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lemon from IKE. We will give you some introduction on the conveyor mesh belt behind me. We got many inquiries on the conveyor belt dehydration system for food, wide range of food and vegetable dehydration. But actually, there's 4 points requires of the products needs to meet it. So firstly, the product needs to a short time driving. If such as 3 to 5 hours. So here is a conveyor belt dehydration customized for the product, which is in 3 hours driving. So the second point is the product needs it can be accumulated but do not do not stick together during the driving. For example, the mangoes and pineapple, there's a food with sugar. So when after driving, they will stick together. This is not good for the conveyor belt dehydration. So the third point is the product can be flipped up but do not stick and make the desk. Because their conveyor belt totally have 5 layers, and they will drop start to the upper belt, continuous belt to drop start to the last floor mesh belt. This will help in the evening driving, so it requires the product will not break while during the driving. So the fourth point is for the large-scale production. For example, the production line, as they were showing previous, from washing machine, slicing machine, and cutting machine, then the continuous belt connect with the these feeding devices. Hello? Anyone can help me? Yes, please place some green chili to the feeding to the feeder. So my photographer will give you some display to this conveyor belt. Hello? This way. It's smoothly and stably through the conveyor mesh belt. It's equipped according to your requirements and production demands. Our photographer will show you the feeding device on the top of the conveyor mesh belt. And it's automatic feeding stably and smoothly to enter the conveyor mesh belt. This will help in the product spraying to the mesh belt evenly to help in the balance driving. So as you can see here, there's the entrance of the conveyor mesh belt. Oh, careful. So this is a customized conveyor belt mesh belt according to the product characteristic, which meets what I say the 4 points products. Okay, let's take a look at the whole conveyor belt dehydration system. So as you can see here, the conveyor belt dehydration system is separated into 2 parts. One part is the part, we call it Part A driving room, and the Part B driving room. The Part A driving room actually have 5 layers on the inside, and for and for maintaining the conveyor belts and cleaning the conveyor belts, each door of the conveyor belts can be opened anywhere because there's some situation there, so we cannot open now. So connect with Part A driving room to the Part B driving room with feeding devices. Actually, it's an insect type feeding. 5 layers. Part A driving room is a high temperature driving room. So Part A driving room is a middle temperature driving room, and connect with the insect type feeder to the high temperature driving room Part B. There are 3 layers in the conveyor driving room. So why is a high temperature driving room there? Because the product needs to make sure the product moisture contains below 10. Oh, hey, the products have been automatic outputs from that to the plastic trains. So after the driving conveyor belt, the moisture condense can be below 10%.
装那个粒粒啊。
So after driving, we will packing by the machinery. So here we have Pitaya to give you some introduction about the packing machine.
Hello,
Pitaya.
this is Pitaya. See you again. Please remember subscribe our YouTube channel, please. And this is the packing machines. After dehydrations, we cannot go to the market directly. We need to pack them into the bags and go for selling or go to the market. This is our packing machines. This packing machines is one of the models. The model is the vertical filling bagging machines. The model size is 320, and the film length is 260. You can load it 320 film. Less than 320 film is available for these machines. And these machines have two main parts. The first main part is the volumetric cup measuring system. And the second part is the bag forming systems. So later, I will ask our staff to load in the potato granules into the bags and show you how to pack these potato granules. Okay, we please load in the potato granules. And before packings, we need to these packing machines is specialized in packing the dry fruit or dry seed or dry corn. It is special in the granules, just like the rice, beans, and the plastic tiny pieces, or the seasoning powder, similar like the fine salt or the sugars or the red sugars. So today our material is our dehydrated potato granules. Now our staff have already finished to loading the potato granules. Now let's start the machine. I will tell you how does the machine work one by one. Okay, let's start. Baby, come here, please. Now here is the Plc Control Systems. This Plc Control can set the bag length because the bag width have already fixed. So what you can do is setting the bag length, the parameter. Okay. Here has 8 programs. So today we're using the first program. First program, the bag length is 100. The length from here to here is 150 length, and the bag speed is 20. If you have another options, you can program the second one. Second one you just change and save. So today we're using the 20 bag per minute and 115 length. We go to the map, alter. Now let's start. Now the machine is what? Baby, come here. Let's see. Now let's see how does the volumetric load the potato chips. Here has a lot of cups. The cups is loading the materials. Now the hopper is not working now, but now we have using the hands to work. The volumetric will send the food to the hopper. And the bag former, this is the bag former. Bag former will create the bags to loading the potato granules. This is the film roller. Film roller will go to the bag former and to form the bag. Sometimes the speed can reach to 20 to 17 bags per minute. So today our speed is 20. But if you need faster, quickly or spiking speed, we can change the different motors to increase the speed. Okay, now let's stop. So now our live is going to the end. Thank you for watching. And please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel information. We will post our information all the time, so please do not missing our portions. And in September 9th, we have another live streams. And on that day, our topic is how to dehydrate the bananas and oranges. Okay, if you have any information to leave us, please specify your need and send an email to us or watching our website. Okay, now bye bye. See you next time.